Okay, so here we go. I've added the resolution that I need to lay this surface over the top of this hood so that I can build my custom hood. The rest of it inside of SolidWorks is the aim. And one thing I need to do is make sure these are all set to a z-axis. Make sure I'm out into box mode. I guess I don't know if that matters much, but I like to do this type of stuff in box mode. Set to z-axis, or the z-plane, z-axis, whatever. Okay, that should be lined up. It shouldn't have any problems there. Just double check. I got a little resolution, maybe kind of going funky here on me, and so I want to pull that in so that's a little tighter, because when I leave box mode, this stuff's going to soften up and pull back in. And then also I want to make sure that these verts are not going to slide past the edge of the hood and go down, and then I have to pull them up, and it gets to be a little bit of a pain in the ass sometimes. Not real hard, but maybe back a little bit. I think I'm good. But you can see I've added resolution to where this thing starts to really roll in the front down to where the reveal would be between the nose, the front end, and the edge of the fender. This is where I want to keep my tolerances tight. The rest of this, I've got a decent amount of resolution in this thing, but I'm not too worried about it as long as I'm within a few thou or even a tenth. I don't know about a tenth, but I probably could shim the hood. And again, I'm just getting going on this stuff, so building a router and I'm gonna machine all this stuff out, and I'm hoping it'll sell. So we'll see what happens. But I want to try to keep my tolerances where everything lines up. This lines up, with the reveal of the fender. This is going to line up at the front end. I want to make sure those tolerances are nice and tight. Okay, so I've got that all lined up. One more trick that I want to show. I don't know if I've done this yet. I don't remember, but do this, and we'll get rid of this resolution. And I want that resolution to follow this edge, so my edge flow is nice. So what I want to do is I can delete that resolution, come back in and loop slice it, edge slice, loop slice, whatever. And then I want to pull this slice a little bit tight to that edge, just so it keeps the I've got a lot of resolution there to kind of follow the curvature, because the hood kind of flips up right here on the outside base. From this transition kind of turns up. All right, so we're going to perspective mode, and you can see that I've got a flat skin, and this is going to be the most beautiful thing ever in my mind in the history of anything. Since I love doing this stuff, this is just ridiculous. Okay, so just do a move, transform, whatever. I want to snap, background, make sure geometry is on vector, geometry constraint, and then we want to lay this skin down, lay it down, oh gosh, that is so beautiful. I mean, how beautiful is that? That is beautiful. I mean beautiful. And hopefully hopefully I was in, let's go back and make sure that I'm, oh, sorry. I want to get out of box mode if I'm in box mode, which when there's a lot of resolution, it's kind of hard to tell. That's non-box mode, sub D. I don't really know if this is considered sub D or I'm guessing. All right, so just learning again. I've only been using this program for a couple months, and they also have a CAD loader. Let me make sure my work plane is reset to. Okay, so I want that thing to go straight down. Is why I'm checking that. Background. I want my to set to vector, and then we're gonna let's relay this down. But they have a CAD loader. Modo has a CAD loader now. But I found that if it's a complex surface model, that the geometry does not want to lay up. So I'm going to fix this, and now I'm coming back with another video.